Click on the link below to get price. The 4400W gas inverter generator is a game changer for anyone in need of reliable, portable power. Ideal for camping trips, tailgating, or as a backup power source during outages, this generator impresses with its combination of power, efficiency, and quiet operation. One of its standout features is its eco mode, which optimizes fuel consumption based on the load. This not only extends the runtime significantly, allowing for up to 14 hours of operation on a full tank, but also helps reduce emissions, making it more environmentally friendly compared to traditional generators. Users will appreciate this eco-conscious design, especially if they plan to use the generator in quieter outdoor settings. Noise level is often a concern when it comes to generators, but this model operates at a surprisingly low decibel level. Even when running at full capacity, it produces a gentle hum that won't disrupt conversations or the peace of nature. This makes it an excellent choice for camping or events where noise ordinances are in effect. The generator's portability is another strong point. Weighing in at a manageable size, it comes equipped with sturdy wheels and a telescopic handle, allowing for easy transport. Whether you're loading it into the trunk of your car or maneuvering it around the campsite, the design prioritizes user convenience. Moreover, the control panel is straightforward and user-friendly. With multiple outlets, including USB ports, connecting various devices is a breeze. The LED display provides real-time information on fuel levels and wattage output, ensuring users can easily monitor performance. Overall, the 4400W gas inverter generator strikes a perfect balance between power and portability. Its ability to run quietly while providing ample power makes it a stellar choice for a variety of applications. Whether you're looking for a reliable power source for outdoor adventures or a backup option for emergencies, this generator delivers on all fronts, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone in need of dependable portable power.